Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for correlation. To test whether there is a relationship between two continuous variables, the Pearson Product-moment Correlation would be appropriate. You will need two continuous variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 3 and 4. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in Stat Tree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose linear as the first variable in the pair and rewind as the second variable in the pair. To run the Pearson Product-moment Correlation test for association, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the Sending page from the Stat Tree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a Results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for the relationship between linear viewing and rewinding. Here's your test result. You would report this figure as well as the sample sizes next to n. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the Stat Tree module.